Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn and Food Etc. Today we are going to make some yummy, delicious dirt cake. So let's get started. So first, let's go through our ingredients. We are going to need a package of Oreo cookies. It's 270 grams crushed. And next, we're going to need a Philadelphia Original, just half of cream cheese, and 1 box of chocolate pudding, and 1 liter of Cold Whip thawed, and 2 cups of cold milk or fresh milk, and of course 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and also 1/4 cup of softened butter. So first step, we're going to mix our chocolate pudding with 2 cups of cold milk. We're going to whisk it or beat it until it's nice and smooth. Then we are going to put our pudding in the fridge for 5 minutes. So in a separate mixing bowl, we're going to mix together powdered sugar, softened butter, and the cream cheese until it's all nice and smooth. A hand mixer will be perfect to do this step. So once it's nice and smooth, we can set this aside and proceed to our next step. Next step, we're going to fold our pudding with our thawed whipped cream. It's optional, but you can save a little bit of your whipped cream for the last layer of your cake. Then we're going to fold in our cream cheese and butter mix into the pudding and whipped cream mix. We'll fold it until everything is well blended. So for our final step, we're going to layer our cake. We're going to use clear bowl or a clear container. We're going to put the first layer of Oreo cookies, and then we're going to add our whipped cream and pudding mix, and then again we'll add Oreo cookies on top of our whipped cream and pudding mix, and so on and so forth until we finish our layering. We do it alternately until we finish it, and at the end we're going to add some plain whipped cream on top. It's optional, but I like it that way, and that's it. This is good to go. We're just gonna put our cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even the next day would be perfect. This is yummy, yummy on our tummy. Thank you guys for watching. This is a really good and easy dessert recipe. Hope you guys try this, and hope to see you again next time. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified every time I have a new video. And see you again next time. God bless. Take care, everyone, and hope to see you again. Bye.